honest, it's not like I don't love my wife, but I just want more. But men, it's natural.
It is now.
Even the Bible understands.
Even the Bible also says that a man that cannot provide for his family is worse than an infidel.
And we are providing, bro. The bills are being paid. Kids are in school. We take care of our wives.
The side chicks will take care of them.
Nah.
So now, who will be sinner?
Bro.
Now we're doing the work of the Lord.
We're doing the Lord's work, bro.
See, in the Bible, King Solo, my mentor.
How Solomon take be your mentor?
King Solo get 300 wives.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Talk with Presh, and today I bring you another new movie. Now the name of this movie is called To Be Better or Bitter. Okay, and this movie is starring the amazing Maurice, Sonia Uche, Pamela Okoye, alongside other amazing actors, actresses, and the entire cast and crew. Now, guys, before we get into this movie, I have certain questions that I need you guys to answer, especially the men in this my channel. You guys need to come out and answer these questions, okay? Enlighten us, let us know. Let's know, maybe we're not saying it from you guys' perspective. So let me know what you guys think about the following questions, the men in this channel. First of all, why do men cheat? Yes. Why do men cheat? And what is the justification? Or rather, why do you even try to justify the act of cheating? Okay. Now, going to the women in this channel, because you are not left out. See, everybody is going to collect their side. Men, answer your own. Now, the women in this channel, answer me. Okay. If you are a side chick to a married, first of all, why are you even a side chick to a married man? And why are you happy on top another person and on top another woman's tears? Okay. And what makes you think that if eventually whoever the married man is wifes you, he would not do the same to you? And why are you entitled as a side chick? People should answer, because this movie led me to thinking so deeply, and I still cannot get the rationale behind a lot of things that happened in this movie. So guys, you guys are already saying that this movie is going to be good. So let's get into the review of this movie. Now, this movie starts with Maurice Sam. You will look at Maurice Sam. He First of all, when I started watching the movie, I was like, who is this man that's like taking care of his wife? In short, he's giving her 3 million to stock up the house. He's like an amazing dad and all that. That was how the movie started. Then suddenly, I see the same Maurice Sam in the arms of another woman who happens to be his side chick. Okay, he has a wife who is Sonia Uche, and then he has a side chick who is Pamela Okoye. Now I'm like, what is going on here? Now, it turns out that, of course, Pamela Okoye is his side chick, and not he would say in the movie that it's not as if he doesn't love his wife, which is another question. Can a man love two women at the same time? Now he'll be like, it's not as if he doesn't love his wife, but he's just a man, and men cheat, so he just has to have a side piece outside. Now, not only do you have a side piece, you have a side piece that you cannot even control. Now, this lady who is a side chick is doing everything within her power to make sure that she shows everybody that she's the woman in his life. If she would stalk the main wife on her social media, if the main wife buys like a Bond Street hair, she will call Maurice Sam and tell him, baby, you will buy me a Bond Street hair. Anything that she sees that the wife has, she equally wants to get. Now, this thing kept on going on, and the wife was clueless in this whole thing. She never knew that her husband was like having an affair outside, but she had this friend who would always complain to her that her husband was having an affair. He's always bringing home infection to her and all that, which is another thing. Please, if you have a cheating partner and you know you have a cheating partner, on no occurrence should you be having sexual relations with that cheating partner, because STDs are just the small parts. he can bring home things like HIV. He can bring home things like hepatitis. This both goes to both the male and female. If you have a cheating partner, please, please, and please again, do not put yourself at risk, all in the name of you want to stop him from going outside. If he has started already. Okay. So now she would be consoling her friend. In fact, there was one part that busted my head where she was like, if it was me, I will not take this, I will not take this. Only if she knew that her husband was doing the same thing, just he was doing it in a coded manner. Now, the side chick on her own has seen that, okay, it's as if I'm starting to lose this man. Then she goes ahead and tells him that she's pregnant and that she's going to keep the pregnancy. She doesn't plan to abort the pregnancy and all that. Now, you would think that this man would be so ashamed of the acts he has done. Instead, he went home to tell his wife, I got somebody pregnant and she's going to have my baby. Now, after this happens, the wife wakes up one day and is like, she's not going to do this anymore. She cannot share her husband, so she's going to leave. And you would think that this guy, after this lady leaves, he would sit down, reflect, and be remorseful. But no, guess what Oga did? Oga brought in the side chick into the house. He brings her into the house, and you would think that, the side chick in her head should be like, I've won, I'm not the woman of the house. Guess what happens? Karma is the B word. Okay, so he brings her into the house. She's acting all like wifey and all that, and this same man starts to go out to cheat on the side chick. See, I always tell people, what you reap, you will sow. You see the way you lay your bed, that is the same way you will lie on it. You mess up another person's home and you think, oh, when you enter your own will be good. And this is a lesson for all those that, you're going after people's husbands, right? Yeah, you're feeling like Ababola. Don't worry. The person that will follow your husband is still in secondary school. She's coming. So he starts cheating on the side chick and sees side chick running helter scatter, calling the ones that he's cheating on and telling them, stay away from my man, do this, do that. And it was so laughable because you were doing the same thing to his wife. You were busy reaping where you did not sow. Instead, you're a young, beautiful girl. Instead of you to go and make your own, you were busy reaping where you did not sow. And now the reverse is the case. Now, Madam Side Chick, now the reverse is the case now. Now, her husband, or rather, the husband she snatched from somebody is not cheating on her too. So, in her delusional state, all she could think about was how to get him back, and she thought of a plan of poisoning herself, and so that the love he has for her will come back. And Baba shocked her because even after she poisoned herself and lost the child she was carrying, Baba left her and told her he never wants to see her again. Now, down to Sonia Uche's friend, the one whose husband was like whoring around and all that. Guess what happened? The man contacted HIV. Thankfully, his wife did not contact the virus. Now, after Maurice had seen that, he had practically lost the nonsense baby mama and all that, he started reflecting on his acts, went ahead and started begging his wife that his wife should come back. Started crying that, he's a changed person and all that and all that. And yeah, she finally forgave him and all that. But this is a lesson. This is a very big lesson to everybody, both the male and the female, because both males cheat and both females cheat. See, what is right, and what is wrong is wrong. Stop using your own analogy to try to cover up the fact that you're doing something wrong. Okay, just live your life. If you have somebody who is in love with you, you have a wife or a husband who is in love with you, just stick with them. Another thing, avoid bad company, but because most times when you're where corrupt minds are, you find yourself getting corrupted. So guys, this is where I say please like. So sorry, before that, if you want to watch this movie, head over to Uchenna Umbanobo TV to watch the movie. Okay, and guys, this is where I finally say please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally and will always be free, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.